So when we remember Imam Hussein, actually we remember that slogan said by Imam Hussein, and that a great and a beautiful example in history of Islam, which remains always shining and is removing the darkness from our life to tell us where is right, where is wrong, where is the truth, where is falsehood, so that we should not go again astray and do as other people have done. And for that, the tyrant rulers nowadays and always in history, they used to ban majalis of Imam Hussein. Nowadays they are criticizing remembering Imam Hussein in the internet and in the media, different ways. Why? Because they know when the people remember Imam Hussein, they remember justice in the society. So they don't want them to remember that. They said, no, forget about it, and well, somebody died 1,400 before, forget about him. The injustice of Yazid is still ruling, and the truth of Imam Hussein is not ruling the countries or the world. So we want the world to be full of peace and justice, not that tyranny and oppression should prevail everywhere. So we have to remember Imam Hussein as long as the injustice is there. Our Imams, the Holy Prophet, even the previous prophets, we discussed that last year, Majalis, about previous prophets and their remembrance of Imam Hussein. However, they remember because Allah knows importance of this movement against the evil of Yazid and Bani Umayyah.